Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the 43rd challenge of basic JavaScript concept of JavaScript algorithms and data structures. So in this video, we are going to talk about accessing multi-dimensional array with indexes. One way to think of multi-dimensional array is an array of arrays. So it is an array nested inside another array. So it is like nested loops. So we'll be having a loop, and inside the loop we'll be having another loop. So it is multi-dimensional. When you use brackets to access your array, of the first set of brackets refer to the entries in the outermost array, and each additional pair of brackets refer to the next level of entries inside. So here we have an example. Here we have a variable array, and inside the variable we have four arrays, and each of the array contains three entries, and in the fourth entry we have another array inside which also has three entries. So we are accessing um, third 3 of ARR, which means the third, which means this is zeroth, this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. So it will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now if we are accessing ARR 30, that means it will be third one, which is this, and the zeroth one, which is the first element. So the first element is this whole thing, which is 10, 11, 12. Okay, and ARR 30, which means this part, and 1 means it will be the second one, which is 11. So it will be 11. So here also they are saying that there shouldn't be any spaces in between array and the square brackets, even though JavaScript will be able to process it correctly, but but programmers may find it confusing. So in this example we need to mm, find assign a value of 8 to variable my data. So we have values here, and we need to declare it as 8. So before that, let us also type another thing which we usually do, which is console.log, and here we'll type my data so we can see where we are going. So as soon as I typed my data, it is showing 1. What is this 1? It is nothing but, as we can see here, my array square bracket 0 square bracket 0, which means it will be accessing the first array and the first element, which is 1. And if you change it to uh, let it be 0, let me change it to 1, then it will move to 2. And if I type to 3, then it will move to nothing, because there is nothing like that, because the last one is 2. So if you type 2, we will get 3. Now if you want to move to the second part, we need to type 1 in the first part, so we'll get 4. Now here if we type 2, then we'll get 6. So it is like that. Now if you type um, 3 here and 0 here, then we will be getting 10, 11, 12, because this is the first part of the fourth entry. Now what we need to do is that we need to assign a value of 8 to variable my data. So my data 8 is here, which means it will be in the third array, which is equal to, if this is 0, this is 1, and this will be 2. So let us type 2 here, and to access this part, this will be the 1 part, so we will get 8. So this is how we do it. Now let us run the test. Yes, so we have completed the 43rd challenge of uh, basic JavaScript, we'll be moving to the next challenge. I hope you are all doing this with me, because if you are doing this with me, then you'll get a better understanding of everything what we are doing. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, uh, stay happy and stay learning. Thank you.